What's up mga kalalabs? So as you can see, I still have 10 minutes left to complete my 60 minutes lunch break. And as of this moment, it's 1:07 in the morning. It shows PM there, but it's actually 1 a.m. Philippine time. And for our food, we have paksiw na galunggong and 1 cup of rice. By the way, Roma prepared this food last Friday, I think. And I'd also like to say thank you very much, Lord, for the blessings na ibinibigay nyo sa amin sa pang-araw-araw. May you continue to shower your blessings and guidance on both Roma and I, as well as sa aming mga pamilya. Ayan, seconds left na lang mga kalalabs before my lunch break ends and it's time to go back on a veil. Quick setup lang and then go back to call mga kalalabs. And bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!